Good morning. Some interior plans for today. This cream interior is getting tossed, but first I want to get a weight of the car. See if we can do a little bit of weight reduction in it. So we had all the wheels and compressor and everything in the car when I took it to the tip to get it weighed. But we ripped everything else out and then we can start taking apart the interior. So we started off at 1,520 because it only goes to 10s on the dump scale. All of this is, well, Tyson's doing the calculations now. So, whoops. All right, so what are we at total for everything we ripped out of it that shouldn't have been in the car?
That's 104 kilos.
104 kilos that shouldn't have been in the car. So is it 1,410?
Yes, this,
We'll round up.
416. 20.
1,420.
Yeah.
So we took 100 kilos
Basically.
out of the car, which is cool. So we're going to rip out the rest of the interior we don't want, and then show you the good stuff we're going to put in. All right, we're going to do this video a little more vloggy style.
Are we?
Yeah, I've decided, because, you know, we mix it up a bit, see what people like. So we're going to strip the fuck out of this car, starting with the rear, and then we're going to put these in, which are heaps sick. These aren't real brides or brids. These are fake ones, not real ones. Alright, so we've already gutted the boot because I did that earlier, just because shit was sliding around so much when we were hauling ass. But we left in like the carpet and the rear sides and everything like that. But now we've completely gutted it, which is very cool because we have a little treat. Some of these super rare Kanzai matching strut braces, which are freaking awesome. Oh shit. And these are super cool. These are really cool. Ah, that's so cool. So you actually do undo the nuts to bolt it in, but I just wanted to have a look. And I gotta be honest, that is sweet.
That's good. And
And then we've got the front too, which we may as well show now while we're looking at strut braces and stuff like that. Get it. We're gonna get it. Actually, I'll do this side for you.
hang on, maybe we're backwards.
Did you put the logo the wrong way?
No.
Oh,
What are we talking about?
Look at, oh, it's even got a cutout for the, yeah, that's cool.
But it's. I
But
think
it's-
he did say that he had to. Yeah.
Oh, so he's
a
put,
certain way.
no, he's put them on, I think,
Backwards?
yeah. No, as in,
Yeah, it doesn't go in.
no, not that. That
It's backwards.
is on backwards, so we've got to undo it. Does that one, yeah, that one lines up. That
Yeah,
one's in
it's
backwards. Take it away. We are going to have to lift the fuse box.
You better undo them.
There are 12! No! These are Vosta seats from Vosta. They're a Brisbane-based company. They're pretty cool. I've actually got a set in my daily in the Subaru. And they're fucking awesome. And they're way cheaper than actual bride seats. And bride seats aren't compliant at all with Australian standards. So cheaper, safer. That's about it. Look at that. I love this cutout. That's so cool. Look at that, the way it fits around the fuse box. 10mm please. Now you're passing me the tools.
As I should be. I'm
Yeah.
freaking working too much.
Hey, that'll work.
Looks like it lines up pretty close.
We'll just put that there and tighten that up. So it's not, I mean, it's not that it's rubbing and it's a metal cable, but it's the little things.
Yeah.
Well, it definitely goes there.
Does it touch in the airbox?
It is touching the airbox.
Interesting.
Interesting. Anyway, we'll come back to that when we figure it out. Yeah, good news, we figured it out immediately. We just had to loosen that side off. So, who would have thought? We turned the camera off and then did that, and now it fits. So, we're just nipping everything up, nip up those ones, and then can't forget to do the boot. But it looks really cool, and it clears, like, just by like a millimeter, which is kind of cool. And it has this really awesome cutout for the fuse box, which is really nice. I don't know, it's just a really cool piece. Kanzai, which is really cool. So, yeah, just a little piece. Yeah, it's little things that add up. I think it's on there, bud. Yeah. All right, so we'll do the rear now. We should give this car a fucking wash, eh?
No. What?
Wash more paint off it.
What size do you reckon? I hope it's not a 9.
We don't have a 9.
We do not have a 9. Ah, look at me go! Does that good?
Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so those are done. So now, we have to start ripping apart interior pieces.
2, 3.
Put that out there. Put that out there then. Yeah, nice.
Ah, look at that.
Oh, shit. And we already took the speakers out when we did. What were we doing to take the speakers out? The tint, when we did the tint.
Yeah.
Rip that off too. Oh, I'm going to come back and show you so we can get in there and you can see the result. Alrighty, so we have stripped out the back. Gutted. Completely. Tyson's head there. That adds a lot of weight, but we'll get that out of the car too. So we've stripped off everything that's holding the carpet in. Plastic trims up under there. Tyson's done the pedal there. And that just folds out and untucks. So
I think we're about there.
those ones there. So we're about to rip this out. On git. I also think we've decided to not put the carpet in.
For now.
Door cards are in. Center console is in. Got our little seat brackets ready to go. Some new ones. We've still got the back all stripped out. But we're just going to do the seats. So we've got a bit of a mess going on at the moment. But we've just run down to the department store. Got some hardware to mount our seat brackets to our seats. These ones are from NZKW. And they're the same one I have on the Subaru. We're just going to mount these up. Then we're going to mount the seat belt. Then we can throw it in the car and see how they look. Hey?
Yeah.
Alright, so we've been using M8 16mm high tensile for shearing force. Obviously matching nut and a washer. Let's put it on like this. So on the inside of the rail, you can see up in there. Yep, right there. To that. Made sure it's nice and straight and even. Now we're just going to do the seat belt. And then we can bolt this on bitch in the car.
The light man.
The light man. Alright. So we've got the seats in. Center console in. No carpet in. And I'll decide if that's going to be any good. But everything's gutted out. So we're left with a mountain of parts. Not those. They're off a different car. Alrighty. A little bit of drift prep. Stockies on the rear. Bitman's atrocious. But these tyres are already super worn. We haven't done a lot with them, but I guess they're just very soft Kmart My Car tyres. So put the stockies with the wind runs on because they're quite hard, which is nice. And we've got more sets, so it looks a bit funny. Oh, interior's looking cool. Put the door cards on the back. Just a little shit, but finally get to drive it tonight, and we'll see how we go. I think I might have sent it a little too hard, because all of a sudden, well, I can't actually see, but the wheels are facing different directions. So we're gonna find out what the fuck's going on. All right, so we've sheared that.
Supposed to be there, and you can actually see. Go down low. You can actually see the bolt's still in there.
And the head of the bolt's there, and then that one at the back there is holding all the pressure. So we're gonna have to, well, trailer this home, I guess.
So who's done worse now? I crashed the front end. You've actually torn a bolt.
Yeah, but I was actually sending it.
Dude, it was so fucking good as well. There's no video of it though, which fucking sucks.
Of course.
Classic.
Oh well. Thought, yeah, I'll do a couple of warm-up laps.
Dude, it went so fucking good as well, mate.
Yeah.
Dude, those seats, holy shit.
Yeah, oh, well, everything else went really good, except we sheared a fucking bolt off, so... well, we got to organise a way to get this to the shop, I suppose. It's probably the best way to put it. Our shop. To go home and get it fixed, because she's nah good.
It happens. Part of the fun.
We'll get it fixed. There you go. Hold that. I broke it, so I better move it.
Yes.
Good thing we got chalky milk, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait now.
Right, well.
Yeah. Immediate out.
I'm just gonna have to skull drag it, aren't I? It'll do it.
I've got it, it's fine, it's got it.
I'm just gonna drag it. Alright?
Hold up, let me, yeah, go now, that's right. That'll do.
This is the friend zone. Tipped it in.
Here's another one coming, I'm sure.
Bit off. Oops. Yeah, broken car zone. We need the other one over here now.
The real question is everything underneath okay?
No.
Front control arm.
Oh, front control
Would
arm.
you slap the wall?
Jesus.
Oh, well. It's the day for it.
Off to the sick bay.
Yeah. There you go. Ours doesn't seem too bad now. Just a bit of Lightning McQueen styling.
I'll push it back in.
Yeah, push it back in.
She's right, I just said it back.
It's all good. Oh, guess we're waiting a bit, eh? Alright, we've been and gone. 2 hours later. The Saviour is here. Load this bad boy up. Get it home. Stuff's still going on, so I gotta help him line the car up. Righto, she's up. We'll strap her down. We'll get her back. Get her back home.